Hello, I'm Eddie Main. I met John Tuttle back in the early 80s when I was about 19 or 20. As I went into his home, he had a nice beautiful point up on the wall in a frame, a lot like this one. It was nice and big and pretty, and he said he made it from heat-treated gravel. And at the time, I was taking physics and chemistry and math in college, and I couldn't think of a reason why rock would turn color just because you heated them. Well, anyway, I left there wondering if that was really real, and what would make rocks turn color just because you heat them. But at the time, I was also failing history over and over again. I would drop it one semester, I'd fail it another semester, and one day I decided I was going to burn that history book. I took the book out into Mama's driveway where there was some gravel there, and I set the thing on fire just because I was mad at the history course. It got a big nice flame going there, and sure enough, underneath the gravel started turning red. And I laughed and laughed, and I thought, that really works. And why? But why? Why does that work? I don't know. So anyway, I was for sure convinced about that after that incident, and I knew everything he said was true. And you should go and visit John Tuttle's YouTube channel. I think you'll find it very informative and entertaining. He's been napping a very, very long time, longer than I have been, and you will really enjoy visiting his channel. So thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for subscribing, and I look forward to making more videos in the near future.